What if the real difference between a struggling cleaning business and a fully booked one isn't effort, but the vacuum you trust every single day? Today, we dive into the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for cleaning business that are built to save time, elevate results, and help you leave every space client ready. Stay tuned till the end and check the links in the description to grab the one that fits your workflow. Now let's move at number 5. We have the Vacmaster UB0402. In the world of cleaning businesses, every missed dust particle can quietly cost reputation and repeat clients. That's where the Vacmaster UB0402 enters with a focus on practical, everyday performance. It is built for those non-stop routines where carpets, rugs, and hard floors all demand attention without slowing you down. The cleaning feel is consistent, almost predictable in a good way, as dirt disappears across different surfaces with steady control. Its ultra-lightweight build changes the experience completely, especially during long shifts or stair-heavy jobs where fatigue usually builds fast. Moving from room to room feels less like labor and more like flow. The low-profile design helps it slip under furniture with ease, while the LED headlight reveals the hidden debris most machines simply miss. A long power cord keeps interruptions minimal, allowing cleaning crews to stay in rhythm. It is not the heaviest industrial machine in the lineup, but what it loses in brute strength, it makes up for in agility and convenience, making it a strong match for small cleaning teams and residential professionals. Coming up next at number 4 is the Bissell CleanView. There is nothing worse in a cleaning job than finishing a space and noticing one overlooked corner breaking the entire impression. The Bissell CleanView is built exactly to reduce those moments. It brings a smooth, controlled cleaning experience where movement around furniture feels natural instead of forced. Swivel steering plays a big role here, helping you glide through tight areas without constant stopping or repositioning. Its triple-action brush roll works deeply into carpets, lifting embedded dirt and pet hair that often hides beneath the surface. On hard floors, scatter-free technology keeps debris under control instead of pushing it away, making each pass more effective. Edge-to-edge suction helps capture dust along baseboards, where detail work matters most in professional cleaning. It feels a bit more solid and slightly bulkier than compact models, but that structure supports stronger cleaning performance overall. For cleaning businesses dealing with pet-friendly homes or mixed surfaces, this vacuum brings a dependable balance of control and consistency. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Hoover WindTunnel. The line between an average cleaning job and a client who recommends your service often comes down to what you don't leave behind. The Hoover WindTunnel is designed with that exact pressure in mind. Its wind tunnel technology creates powerful airflow that helps pull hidden debris from deep surfaces, while multi-cyclonic filtration supports consistent suction during long sessions. Transitioning between thick carpets and smooth floors feels more controlled thanks to its 5-level height adjustment, giving professionals more confidence across varied spaces. After finishing a job, the automatic cord rewind quietly saves time, especially when you are moving between multiple locations in a single day. The included extension wand and tools make stairs, corners, and upholstery more accessible without constant machine repositioning. Compared to lighter compact vacuums, it feels more grounded and structured, though that upright design can take up more storage space. Still, for cleaning businesses handling mixed environments, it delivers steady, reliable performance that helps maintain a polished, professional finish. Coming in at number 2 is Kenmore Elite 31150. When clients walk into a freshly cleaned space, what they see is surface-level cleanliness, but what defines true professionalism is what they cannot see: the deep, hidden dust. The Kenmore Elite 31150 is built exactly for that deeper standard. It is designed for demanding cleaning routines where consistency matters more than anything else. One of the biggest frustrations in this industry is losing suction over time or dealing with constant maintenance. And this model addresses that with a strong motor system and a beltless design that reduces ongoing upkeep. Its triple HEPA filtration system helps trap fine dust inside the machine, keeping the environment cleaner throughout the process. For pet-heavy homes or busy commercial spaces, the included pet handy-made attachment becomes especially useful for furniture, stairs, and tight corners. The extended reach tools and lightweight wand make movement smoother, even in complex layouts. While the bag system does require occasional replacement, it also supports cleaner disposal. It stands out for filtration strength and deep cleaning capability, making it ideal for professionals who prioritize consistency and hygiene. Taking the top spot is Sanitaire Vacuum. Some machines are built for convenience, but others are built for endurance, and that difference becomes clear in demanding cleaning businesses. The Sanitaire Vacuum is focused on one thing above all else: dependable commercial performance. It is the kind of machine that keeps working through long schedules without asking for attention. With a motor life rated for over 500 hours, it is designed to handle repeated daily use without losing its edge quickly. The large 11-quart disposable bag reduces interruptions, allowing more cleaning and less stopping. At just 15 pounds, it stays manageable across long shifts, especially when moving through offices, hallways, or multi-floor environments. Maintenance is straightforward, thanks to tool-free brush roll access and simple belt replacement, which helps reduce downtime in busy operations. Compared to more feature-heavy cordless or modern designs, it may feel more traditional, but that simplicity is exactly what many cleaning businesses rely on. It prioritizes durability, steady suction, and predictable performance over flashy extras, making it a strong choice for professionals working under tight schedules and budgets. That is why the Sanitaire Vacuum stands as the winner in this lineup. It is not about extra features or modern styling, it is about staying reliable when the workload gets intense. Between the Kenmore Elite 31150 and Hoover WindTunnel, the competition is strong. But Sanitaire focuses more on long-term durability and lower downtime, which matters most in real cleaning business operations. That wraps up today's top 5 best vacuum cleaners for cleaning business. All product links are waiting for you in the description. If this helped you decide, hit like, subscribe for more breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.